Uh,
Hi, this is Kemi from RSH-TECH. I'm a marketing director.
nice. Can we ask some questions about your testing and what is your service?
About testing, right?
About testing and service. Can we ask some
Okay.
questions?
Yes, sure.
So, Cami, how many boards you are preparing every day?
Every day, I think around 5K.
Oh. So, how you manage if you get the order of a 10,000 smart media box?
Okay, good question. Once we got the order from our customer, then our sales assistants will be switched to our internal system, then pass to purchase department and the production department. Then, after the material is ready, then we will make them SMT and the DIP and the assembler, then test it, then ship it.
That's nice. How many you have already sold this type of smart media box?
It means you ask every month or
Yeah, every month.
every month around 20K to 30K. It depends the hot season. Hot season, I think maybe 30K.
Oh, that's nice. How many customers you are already satisfied?
Around under 100.
So they are from different countries?
Yeah, sure. European, USA, and Asia.
Oh, that's good. How many IoT products you are exporting every month?
Every month IoT, okay. For example, Wi-Fi plug. This is very hot projector. This projector Wi-Fi plug work with Alexa and Google Home. So every month we can ship around 20K to 30K.
That's good. What are the points you take care while testing and shipping?
Okay. Every procedure we will be tested. For example, PCBA and assembly and finished product. So we will take 3 times for the projector for testing, then ship it.
Oh, that's good. Which shipping method is good for USA, Canada?
Okay. I think maybe DHL, FedEx, Post,
Okay. And
EMS also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So FedEx and DHL are good for.
FedEx and DHL will be much faster. EMS would be take a long time, maybe 1 week.
Okay. So how are you finding the customers?
Okay. We have a B2B platform. For example, Global Source. We are 5-star, Alibaba, and Ali11 domestic channel, and exhibition.
Okay. It's nice.
Also LinkedIn social platform. Yeah.
That's good. So can you show me some of your products, some of your boards?
Oh, sure. For example, now we do media play. This is a very simple function. Just connect TV, they make the automatically play and the loops and the resume function. It's very good for the shop, for coffee shop, hotel, and the hospital. I think, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Sorry.
It's nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.